Pisces. Pause whatever you're doing because the next few minutes could completely flip your reality. If you're watching this before July 4th, 2025, consider this your cosmic invitation. We're about to unlock 4 shocking astrological predictions for Pisces that have the power to change your financial destiny and fast. This isn't the usual good fortune is coming fluff. I'm talking about high-voltage, once-in-a-lifetime alignments that can open millionaire portals, attract surprise cash, and put you on a new wealth timeline, if you know how to act. So don't just sit back and listen. Lean in, take notes, and stay till the end, because prediction number 4 will reveal the exact millionaire activation ritual only a few will know about. Let's dive in, Pisces. Your millionaire moment is here. Prediction 1. The sudden money messenger. Windfall opportunity arrives. Pisces, let's kick this off with a cosmic shocker. July 3rd to 4th, 2025 is your moment for a sudden, out-of-nowhere money blessing, a phenomenon I'm calling the sudden money messenger. If you've ever dreamed of a windfall, this is the universe giving you a cosmic heads-up. Pay attention, because a surprise opportunity or financial message is racing toward you. But here's the twist. It won't arrive with neon signs or a marching band. Most Pisces will miss it because it's disguised as an everyday moment. A text, a DM, a random phone call, or even a passing comment that feels like nothing at first. But if you're tuned in, you'll realize it's your ticket to the next level of wealth. So what should you look out for? The stars say it could come in these forms: a surprise email or phone call with an offer, maybe a new job, a freelance gig, or a promotion that pops up just when you were least expecting it. Unexpected news about money? Think about a forgotten refund, a family inheritance, a bonus, or an investment finally paying off, delivering you extra cash just when you need it. A golden tip from a friend, mentor, or even a stranger. Imagine someone mentioning a side hustle, a business idea, or a new trend that opens up a fresh income stream you never considered. A viral moment. This is especially powerful if you're a content creator or entrepreneur. A video, post, or idea could suddenly gain traction and flood you with attention and income almost overnight. The astrology behind this? Mercury, the ultimate messenger planet, forms a rare, lucky aspect with Jupiter, the planet of expansion and abundance directly in your money house. This setup isn't about slow, steady gains. It's about quick flashes of opportunity, lightning strikes of luck, and financial messages from unexpected directions. You may not see the cash immediately, but the information or connection you receive will point you straight toward it. Here's how you can anchor and maximize this cosmic gift. Stay hyper-aware. Check your email and social notifications often. Don't ignore calls or messages from unknown numbers. Your golden envelope might be hiding in plain sight. Say yes to surprises. This is not the time to overthink or play it safe. Say yes to last-minute invites, networking opportunities, and any chance to put yourself out there, even if it feels random or inconvenient. Keep a money journal. Every dollar, lead, or idea that comes your way, write it down. This simple habit raises your wealth frequency and signals to the universe that you're awake, receptive, and ready for more. Remember, Pisces, the universe doesn't usually drop bags of cash on your doorstep, but it does send subtle, powerful opportunities. If you spot them, seize them, and act quickly, you could find yourself on a brand new millionaire timeline before you even realize it. So don't ignore the unexpected, that out-of-the-blue message or casual conversation. It could be the very moment your wealth story changes forever. Are you ready to answer the call? Prediction 2, the Millionaire Mirror. Your self-image gets upgraded, Pisces. Let's get real for a second. This is not just another think positive message. The astrology for July 3rd to 4th is literally rewiring your inner wealth thermostat. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to attract abundance while others always struggle, the answer often comes down to one thing: self-image. And right now, the universe is holding up a mirror so you can see, maybe for the first time, what you're truly worth. Here's what's happening in the stars. Neptune, your ruling planet, is in a rare electric embrace with Venus, the planet of value and attraction. But it's not happening in some distant sector. It's in your zones of identity and self-worth. This is a cosmic upgrade download for your aura, your confidence, and yes, your bank account. Here's the raw truth most people avoid. Money is emotional and energetic, not just logical. Most people never break out of old financial patterns because deep down, they don't believe they deserve more. They might say they want wealth, but when the mirror comes up, their real beliefs are exposed. Who am I to be rich? If I have more, someone else has less. I'll probably mess it up anyway. That's the invisible barrier that keeps even the most talented, loving Pisces stuck on the sidelines. But on July 3rd to 4th, the Millionaire Mirror cracks wide open, and you get a clear, soul-level look at your true value. For some, this will feel like a shock. For others, it's a long overdue awakening. Watch for these powerful signs. Dreaming bigger. You catch yourself daydreaming about a life that is 10 times grander, more adventurous, and prosperous than anything you've allowed yourself to imagine before. Genuine reception. Someone compliments your gifts, and instead of deflecting or minimizing, you let yourself feel the truth of it. You start to internalize that you really are that talented, creative, or attractive. Rising discomfort. Suddenly, it feels almost physically uncomfortable to keep playing small. You can't stand being underpaid, unappreciated, or stuck in old ruts, whether that's in your job, your relationships, or your self-care. Upgrade urge. You get a powerful urge to upgrade your space, your wardrobe, your phone background, or even your social media presence. Anything that feels low vibe needs to go. You want your world to reflect where you're headed, not where you've been. This isn't just self-improvement talk, it's energetic. For these 2 days, your aura is set to maximum attraction for money, admiration, new connections, and fresh opportunities. How to anchor your Millionaire Mirror shift. Daily affirmation. Start and end your day by saying, I am a Pisces millionaire. Money flows to me easily because I am worthy, abundant, and destined to prosper. Say it out loud. Feel it in your bones. Let it become your new identity. Declutter and upgrade. Choose one thing in your life that makes you feel small or not enough. A battered wallet, outdated clothes, an old photo on your social profile. Get rid of it or upgrade it. You'll be shocked at how fast this shifts your vibe. Invest in yourself, whether it's buying a powerful book, signing up for a course, getting a new haircut, or just making a small but symbolic purchase. Show the universe you value yourself. That energy boomerangs right back in the form of money, respect, and new chances. Here's the kicker, Pisces. When you believe you're worthy, the world rearranges itself to prove you right. Opportunities will show up faster than ever. Money finds you in unexpected ways. People treat you differently because you're showing up differently. Don't sleep on this cosmic window. Remember, your net worth can never outpace your self-worth. Millionaire status starts in your mirror, and this is your official makeover moment. Step into it. Prediction 3, the Karmic Cashback. Past good deeds return. With interest, Pisces, there's a saying, no good deed goes unnoticed by the universe. But for you, on July 3rd to 4th, this is more than a feel-good quote. It's a cosmic promise. The astrology for these dates reveals one of the most powerful, magical payback moments of your entire year. Karmic Cashback. Imagine all the positive energy, love, support, and kindness you've given, without expecting anything in return, finally boomeranging back, multiplied. This is not wishful thinking. It's the direct result of Saturn, the planet of karma and long-term results, forming a supportive trine to the area of your chart that rules gifts, gratitude, and repayment. It's the universe running a spiritual audit, and Pisces, you've got credits piling up. Why now? The astrological setup. Saturn rarely dishes out instant gratification. Its rewards are slow, steady, and only show up for those who truly give from the heart. On July 3rd to 4th, however, the stars align to speed up your karmic returns. That means all the selfless things you did in the past, whether you remember them or not, are about to become a source of real, tangible support, money, and open doors. What karmic cashback looks like. Watch for these signs. The grateful return, someone you once helped, maybe you even forgot about it, reaches out wanting to pay you back. Sometimes it's cash. Other times it's a valuable connection, a business referral, or a huge favor you couldn't get any other way. Surprise opportunities. An old boss, client, or colleague pops up out of nowhere offering you a project, gig, or job. They might say, "I always appreciated how you went above and beyond," or "You helped me when no one else did." Their gratitude now opens the door to prosperity, community blessings. That club, group, or online network you supported, whether with time, money, or encouragement, returns the favor. Maybe you're recommended for a big opportunity, or someone you barely know goes out of their way to promote your work, business, or dreams. Seeds. Finally sprout. Past investments of energy, time, and even emotional labor suddenly bloom. A book you wrote, a project you started, or an idea you shared is rediscovered, leading to praise, money, or new partnerships you didn't see coming. These moments are not random. They are the universe's way of saying, "Pisces, your light has not gone unnoticed. Now it's your turn." How to anchor and receive your karmic. Cashback, stay open. Don't brush off unexpected messages, emails, or invitations. Treat every random ping as a potential answer to prayers you may have forgotten you made. Acknowledge your generosity. Pause and reflect. Write down 3 ways you've given to others, financially, emotionally, or energetically. Relive the gratitude, not with pride, but with a warm sense of fulfillment. This strengthens the energy cycle and primes you for receiving. Say yes to receiving. If someone wants to gift you money, help, or a referral, accept it with open arms and a grateful heart. Don't minimize it with, "You didn't have to," or "It's too much." The universe wants you to learn the art of receiving, not just giving. Show appreciation. Every time a blessing circles back, celebrate it. Say thank you, share your story, and watch how even more flows in. Final thought. Pisces, this is not about entitlement. It's about divine balance. If you've ever felt invisible, overlooked, or wondered, when is it finally my turn? Know that July 3rd through 4th is your answer. The scales are tipping in your favor. Claim your karmic cashback by being ready to receive. No guilt, no shrinking, no apologies. Drop a comment if you're ready to receive everything you've given. The universe is listening, and now it's finally your turn. Prediction 4. The Wealth Portal Ritual. How to anchor your millionaire destiny, Pisces. Let's be honest. Most people believe becoming a millionaire is just a matter of luck, timing, or having the right connections. But this prediction will turn that idea on its head. The truth is, wealth is a blend of cosmic opportunity and conscious choice. July 3rd to 4th opens a rare wealth portal for Pisces, but here's the real secret. Only those who take action will be able to step through. This isn't passive astrology, it's a cosmic green light urging you to move. Mars, the planet of drive and action, meets Pluto, the planet of transformation and legacy, right in your house of power. This is like the universe saying, ready or not, it's go time for your millionaire destiny. These 2 powerhouse planets rarely join forces in this way. When they do, it's an invitation, no, a dare for you to shed old stories, break through your limits, and claim a new identity as a wealth magnet. But a portal is just that, a doorway. If you don't step through, it closes. That's why I'm giving you the Wealth Portal Ritual, a set of actions designed to help you anchor this once-in-a-lifetime energy, transmute it from cosmic potential into physical reality, and show the universe that you're serious about your next level. Your step-by-step Wealth Portal Ritual 1. Clear your energy. Release old money blocks. Begin by taking a salt bath or a shower. This isn't just about hygiene, it's spiritual cleansing. As the water touches your skin, close your eyes and visualize all your old fears about money, scarcity, unworthiness, or family patterns washing down the drain. Imagine the old you leaving, making room for the new abundant version ready to emerge. If you can't bathe, just sprinkle salt in your hands and rinse them with intent. 2. Write your Millionaire Manifesto. On a fresh sheet of paper, write these words in your own hand. I, your name, am now stepping into my millionaire timeline. I welcome abundance, prosperity, and opportunity with open arms. I am ready to lead, receive, and multiply wealth. Feel the energy as you write. Let it anchor into your nervous system. This is your contract with the universe. 3. Light a green or gold candle. Green symbolizes money, growth, and new beginnings. Gold represents riches, value, and spiritual royalty. As you light your candle, even a small birthday candle works. Focus on your bank account swelling, debts melting away, and new streams of income opening like floodgates. Imagine these colors glowing around you, magnetizing prosperity from all directions. 4. Take one bold action. Now do something real in the world to prove your commitment. Send that pitch email, apply for the job or grant you've been putting off. Launch your project, product, or service. 5. Share your intention. Activate the collective field. Don't keep this magic to yourself. Comment on this video or tell someone you trust. I'm claiming my millionaire era now. When you speak your intention out loud or in writing, especially in front of others, you amplify its power and draw in support. Every like, comment, or share becomes an energetic ripple that strengthens your portal. Why does this work? Astrology is about timing, the portal. Ritual is about grounding your intent in reality. But it's your action that turns potential into actual physical wealth. When you combine clear intention, energetic alignment, and bold moves, you lock onto the rarest, most magnetic money frequency in the universe. Don't overthink it, Pisces. Don't wait for next time. The portal closes fast, and this level of astrological support doesn't come again for years. The ones who act now, they're the ones you'll see living a new story before the year is out. Final message. Pisces, if you've watched till the end, the universe is literally applauding you. You're not just curious, you're ready to receive. These 4 predictions are not just random events, they are your divine wake-up call. Wealth doesn't belong to the lucky, it belongs to the ready. Here's how you anchor your millionaire shift right now. Comment below, I claim my millionaire era. Like this video if you feel the shift in your soul. Subscribe if you want more cosmic secrets and millionaire activations. Don't wait, Pisces. July 3rd to 4th is not coming back for years. This is your shot. This is your moment. Let's make you the next Pisces millionaire starting today. Now, Pisces, the question is, are you ready to claim it? Drop your affirmation in the comments and take your first bold step before the portal closes. The universe is listening. Your millionaire destiny is waiting.